We look at question number 4. This was in the year 2001. What is the value of a 3 over 4 into brackets a half plus 2 over 5 divided by a third, close the brackets, minus 1 over 5 multiplied by a 3 over 8. So we are going to use BODMAS, which you have said it means brackets of division, multiplication, addition, and subtraction. Now, in this case, we have brackets. So we are going to start by solving what is inside the brackets. So we have a half plus 2 over 5 divided by a third. Now, because we have addition and division, division comes before addition. So first of all, we are going to solve the division and then we solve the addition. So we are going to start with 2 over 5 divided by a third. This will be 2 over 5. We change the division sign into multiplication and then find the reciprocal of the second fraction, which is a third. So it will be 3 over 1. We know that reciprocal means numerator becomes denominator, denominator becomes the numerator. That's how we have a 3 over 1. And then we work out this. It will be 2 multiplied by a 3 gives us 6 over 5 multiplied by 1 gives us 5. So you have 6 over 5. Now, 6 over 5 is an improper fraction. We need to change this into a mixed fraction. So we take 6, we divide by 5. Okay? So 6 divided by 5 will be 1 because of 5. When you subtract, you get the remainder as 1. Therefore, as a mixed fraction, it will be 1, which is the whole number, and 1 over 5. Okay? So the answer will be 1 and 1 over 5. Now we have a half plus, here you have seen the answer will be 1 and 1 over 5. So we take a half, we add to 1 and 1 over 5. This can be written as 1, which is a whole number, plus a half plus 1 over 5. Okay, we have separated the whole number and the fractions. So we add a half plus 1 over 5. A half plus 1 over 5. We find the LCM of 2 and 5 first. We have 2 here and you have 5. The LCM of 2 and 5, we divide by 2, you have 1, and then here we have 5. Here we divide by 5, we are left with 1 and 1. So the LCM will be 2 multiplied by 5, which gives us 10. Okay? So the LCM becomes the common denominator, like that. And then you can work out. We will have 10 divided by 2 gives us 5, multiplied by 1 gives us 5, plus 10 divided by 5 gives us 2 multiplied by 1 gives us 2. And then you have 5, you add 2 gives us 7 and over 10. So you have 7 over 10. And remember, we had 1. So it will be 1 plus 7 over 10. So the final answer will be 1 plus 7 over 10, which gives us 1 and 7 over 10. Okay? Now, we have worked out what is inside the brackets. Now, I want us to write down what we are left with. You have 3 over 4 into brackets 1 and 7 over 10, close the brackets, minus 1 over 5 plus 3 over 8. Now what I have done, I have written down what the initial question after solving what is inside the brackets. Okay? Now, here we have 3 over 4 into brackets 7 and 1 over 10. Now, to open this bracket, you multiply what is inside the brackets by what is outside the brackets. Okay? So it will be 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 and 7 over 10, okay, minus 1 over 5. Sorry, this sign is multiplication, not addition. So here is multiplication, this one. So minus 1 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 8. Okay, now you have 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 and 7 over 10 minus 1 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 8. So we can work out this multiplication, and then we work out this multiplication, and then we add by the subtraction. Now let us start with the first one. We are going to start with 3 over 4 multiplied by 1 and 7 over 10. We need to change this mixed fraction into improper fraction. So 1 and 7 over 10. As an improper fraction, it will be 1 multiplied by 10 gives us 10. You add 7 gives us 17 over 10. So it will be 3 over 4 multiplied by 17 over 10. Okay? And then we work out this. 3 times 17 gives us 51 over 4 multiplied by 10 gives us 40. So we have 51 over 40. Okay? So here we have 51 over 40. And then we solve the second one, which is 1 over 5. Second one is 1 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 8. Okay? So 1 over 5 multiplied by 3 over 8 will be 1 multiplied by a 3 gives us a 3 over 5 multiplied by 8 gives us 40. So we have 3 over 40. So the answer here will be 3 over 40. So we write down what we have. We have 51 over 40. 51 over 40. You subtract 3 over 40. This will be, because we have a common denominator, we are going to subtract directly. So it will be 51. You minus a 3 gives us 48 over 40. So 48 over 40 is the correct answer. However, this is an improper fraction. We need to change it into a mixed fraction. So we take 48, we divide by 40. Okay? So 48 divided by 40 will be 1 because of 40. And you subtract, you get the remainder is 8. Okay? So it will be 1 and 8 over 40. Now 8 over 40 can be simplified further by dividing by 8. So divide by 8, 1, 40 divided by 8 gives us 5. Therefore, the simplified answer will be 1, which is a whole number, and 1 over 5. So this is the final answer, 1 and 1 over 5.